Have you ever laid awake at night and wondered where your next client would be coming from? Where is that next business deal going to be coming from? Am I going to be waking up in the morning, hitting the streets, going, knocking on doors, and bringing that business in? That's what we do, right? That's how we go out and get business. Well, there's a simpler way. And I have the solution right here in my pocket. It's my business card. Hi guys, my name is Prashant Bhaga and I'm the founder and owner of 3 wonderful companies. One of which, Intervention Architecture, I'm proud to say has been a part of this building over here and a few in Mabadeng. The second, Architect, is my biotechnology company. And the third, and this is the one for you guys, is Lilypad Leads. So what happens when you blend architecture, psychology, technology, and web design? What you get is captivating web design, branding that is memorable, online marketing that dominates social media, and an online presence that reaches global standards and works while you are asleep. Did you know that 700 billion minutes are spent on Facebook each month? That's 700 billion missed opportunities where you could be marketing your business if you are using the online platforms correctly. What you need is a website with personality, one that understands the psychology of your users, one that is designed to guide your user and have the conversation through your website. This is Lilypad Leads. We help take businesses global using online media. Please find out more at www.lilypadleads.com. Thank you very much.